Well, during the famine,
Yeah.
the British just wouldn't give the food out
Yeah.
or give people money. They did it in India later.
Yeah.
So what they did is they started getting to build roads. Some of them led nowhere, like this.
Why they built the road that led
Because
nowhere?
the economic theory at the time was you had to make people work to earn money, but they couldn't. They were against making them commercially. I mean, roads that led anywhere properly, because that would deprive the local capitalist of the opportunity to build a road that was useful. So this leads to nowhere.
What did you call it?
Bog Asphodel.
I was just saying I'm glad there's another photographer, so you just go on.
Thanks. This is just blanket of different flowers.
See this one here, see the totally different shape of it.
Oh wow.
I think that's what she was saying is the butterfly orchid.
Okay. And there's pink really.
Like grey.
Oh, that's why it's called bloody grey.
See that?
What do you call it? Bird?
Bird, bird's foot, trefoil. Trefoil is 3 leaves.
Oh, that's why. Daddy is leading the walk. A little suspiyok.
I'm glad of that. But, there's no music. The community hall isn't open. It's not necessarily long and about.
That's the problem.
Hello, how are you?
I was in.
Oh, hello.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm on my way down. You're on your way up.
Yeah.
That's the best.
Limestone भनिन्छ यस्तो ढुङ्गालाई आइसको खर्बासेस जस्तै खालको क्र्याकहरू सो एकदम केयरफुली हिँड्दाखेरि चाहिँ हेर्नुपर्ने यो क्र्याकको तलबाट चाहिँ पानी बग्छ फ्रेस वाटर यो चाहिँ पहिला समुद्र मुनि थियो पछि यो समुद्र बाहिर आएको यस्तो खालको खाडो छ स्नो माउन्टेनको भए चाहिँ खर्बसेस जस्तै यो बर्न माउन्टेन चाहिँ सबै यस्तै खालको ल्यान्डस्केपले बनेको छ र यो एकदमै ठुलो एरिया छ वेस्ट अफ आयरल्यान्डमा विशेष गरेर यो काउन्टी क्लेयर यो ल्यान्डस्केप अनि यो ढुङ्गाहरू चाहिँ पहिला समुद्र सतहमा रहँदा सबै फसल्सबाट बनेको हो सो समुद्र मुनिको सतह जसलाई चाहिँ पेट्रक भनिन्छ यस्तै हुन्छ
hold on to your hat, and we'll drive this road together. Hold on to your hat, say you'll be mine forever. Ah, you know you are my sweetheart, you're the apple of my eye. To you I bared my soul, without a question why. I'll always do my very best to never make you cry. I'll care for you and love you true until the day I die. Hold on to your hat, and we'll drive this road together. Hold on to your hat, and we'll see all kinds of weather. Hold on to your hat, and we'll drive this road together. Hold on to your hat, say you'll be mine forever. Hey! Don't worry about times ahead, the future is unknown. With every bend and crossroads,